Good morning. How are you, student? I am your computer teacher for class 9. Now, we have shared some instruction. Don't raise hand during the teaching. Ask question at the end of the teaching in chat box. Use hand free if you are using mobile and headphone for the computer use. Read your ID and password properly with your name and class. Take care of the time for attending the class. Home tasks should be done in your fair copy or the subject. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join again with 5 to 10 minutes. Don't turn on your video during the teaching. Now, we have started the unit number 3, input and output devices. Input and output devices. What is input device? Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. Input devices are necessary to convert data into a form which can be entered by the computer. Input devices are the physical equipment which are used to read and translate data consisting of the alphabet numbers or other symbols into the electronic impulses which can be used understood by the computer. The purpose of input device is the pass information to the memory unit of the CPU. CPU abbreviation of Central Processing Unit to convert the character, letters, numbers, and other symbols. Input binary pattern which can be held inside the computer memory. Some example of the input devices are keyboard, mouse, trackball, scanner, joystick, light fan, microphone, digital camera, and etc. Now, first one is the keyboard. What is keyboard? To input data into the form of word and numbers, that most widely used device today is the keyboard. Letters and numbers keys are arranged like those on a typewriter, but there are also some extra keys and particular keys combinations that help us give instruction to the computer. A computer keyboard is used much like a typewriter and has all of the expected alphabets A to Z, numeric 0 to 9, and a special character keyboard is a primary text input device. Now we have shared the parts of the keyboard. All the keys are arranged into the following keyboard divisions. Number one is alphanumeric keys. It is the part of the keyboard that look like a typewriter. The range of the keys for the parts similar to the pattern of the typewriter. Number two is numeric keypad. It is usually placed on the right hand side of the keyboard that look like a simple calculator. It includes the following keys. Numeric keys from 0 to 9 digits, the four basic operation plus, minus, multiply and division. Num lock key that works similar to the caps lock key. Number two is function keys. What is a function key? These keys usually arranged on the top of the keyboard in a row with numbers marked on them from 1 to 12, F1 to F12. All these keys have predefined instructions which are different format software. Number four is cursor movement key. Cursor movement key. A blinking mark of the computer screen is called the cursor, where the key you press will display the particular character, digits, special characters. Number one is arrow keys. There are four arrow keys: left arrow keys, right arrow keys, up arrow keys, down arrow keys. These are used to move the cursor one place to left, right, up, and down. Second one is home and the end. Home key moves the cursor to the beginning of the line to which cursor of the present and key move the cursor to the end of the line. Number third is up and up, page up and page down. These keys are used to make the cursor jump page by page. Page up key is used to move cursor to the previous page screen, and page down move the cursor to the next page. Next heading is modify keys. Shift, Control and Alter. Shift, Control and Alter are the modify keys. These keys are used to modify the input of the other keys. Another keys is pressed while holding down on the modifier keys. Delete keys. This key is also used to delete an character. Insert key. As the name implies, these keys insert some new text between the text already typed in the when this key is activate. Next is the escape key. The function of this key various form of program to program. Print screen key. These keys allow you to capture whatever is shown on the screen as an on image. The images then can be printed, pasted on the manipulated in the different ways. Next heading is mouse. What is mouse? Mouse is also an input device. Mouse is also an input device. It was a short body and a long tail like a real mouse. It has two buttons on two top and the small button on the bottom. The left button works like the enter key. The right button, when pressed, tell the computer to stop the action and fight of the undo the work depending on the software. On desktop, right button open the list of the option. When you move the mouse on the flat surface, the cursor in the shape of arrow, line, or picture start moving around the screen. By amazing, the action is called pointing. After reading the desired option, press the left button to enter a command into the computer. This action is called clicking. Next is a trackball. What is a trackball? A trackball is similar to the mouse, but you do not have to roll the trackball over a flat surface. Mouse required a little space on the disk to move properly. Many situations it becomes more difficult to provide space. Therefore, a trackball can be used instead of mouse. The trackball is used by rolling the balls with your palm and the finger in the direction you want to pointer to go. A trackball is a pointing device consisting of a ball held by a socket containing sensor to detect our rotation of the ball two axis, like an upside down mouse with an exposed producing ball. Next heading is scanner. What is a scanner? A scanner is used to convert what is on a paper to computer format. It is much like a photocopier. Only difference is instance of the producing and the copy as output is stored. A copy of the page into the computer memory. A scanner can be handheld, so you can move the scanner over the printed page. Types of Types of scanner. There are three types of scanner: handheld scanner, flatbed scanner, sheet feed scanner. First one is handheld scanner, flatbed scanner, sheet feed scanner. A scanner that is held in the hand and the pass across the images to the scan in term as the handheld scanner. It is a very small in size. Handheld scanners are less expensive but require a steady hand to get a clear images. A scanner that is moved by the hand over the material being captured. Number two is a flatbed scanner. This type of scanner has a flat pieces of glass. Flatbed scanners are identifiable by their similarity in design to a photocopier machine. A flatbed scanner also works better than a sheet feed scanner when the documents have cut and the page layout that might fall off. Third one is a sheet feed scanner, a scanner that feeds each sheet of the paper across a non-moving scan head. This different form of the flatbed scanner is which the paper is laid on the sheet of the glass and the scan head. Number five is joystick. A joystick is another input device. It is used for playing video games. It consists of the round shape base and a long stick which can be tied in left, right, forward or backward direction. It also had a button on the top and the trigger. By moving the stick of the game, object can be controlled. By pressing the top button on the trigger, object can be moved off the fire or the jump. Joysticks are used mostly for the computer or video games. Joystick is a handheld stick which used as a pointing device. Light pen. A light pen is a pointing input device that contains a photo detector or the light sources. Next is a microphone. It is also an input device. Microphones are becoming increasingly important input device to record voice and speech. Digital camera. Digital camera is an held portable input device that takes picture and an input. Next heading is output devices. What is the output devices? Output devices are used to get the result or information from the computer. The output devices are also physical equipment which translate the outcome of the computation and the related activity carried out in the CPU. CPU abbreviation of Central Processing Unit, so that these can be translated by the humans. Output devices may adopt different shapes and style. The output may be in the form of types, printed and visible. The purpose of the output devices is to convert data and information expressed in the electronic impulses to human understandable forms such as printed report. Output devices are used to get the result or information from the computer. The output devices are also physical equipment which translate the outcome of the computation and related activity carried out in the CPU. CPU abbreviation of Central Processing Unit, so that these can be translated by the humans. There are following types of output devices. Number one is monitor. Number two is printer. Number three is plotter. Number one is monitor. Number two is printer. Number three is plotters. Number one is a monitor. Monitor is an output device and a very important part of the computer system. It looks like a TV screen. It shows output which it gets from the CPU. The output on the monitor is called soft copy. It is called soft copy because it is a temporary copy. It is a device that displays text and graphics generated by a computer. Monitor is an output device and a very important part of this computer system. It looks like a TV screen. It shows the output which it gets from the CPU. The output on the monitor is called soft copy. It is called soft copy because it is temporary copy. It is a device that displays text graphics generated by the computer. Monitor is an output device and a very important part of the computer system. Okay. Okay. Now we have share the types of monitor. There are two types of monitors: CRT monitor, LCD monitor. CRT abbreviation of cathode ray tube monitor, LCD abbreviation of liquid crystal display, LCD abbreviation of liquid crystal display. Number one is CRT monitor. Many lower prices systems use traditional cathode ray tube CRT monitor, LCD monitor, LCD abbreviation of liquid crystal display. First one is the CRT. CRT cathode ray tube is a vacuum tube that contain one of the more electronic than CRT monitor, which is similar to the television screen and also work into same way. It used to large vacuum tube called cathode ray tube. CRT is the technology. It is used most older television and the computer display screen. A CRT work by the moving and the electronic. LCD liquid crystal display, a flat panel screen that used to the liquid crystal display LCD technology and the connected to the computer. Laptop have used to LCD screen. Almost accurately display screen monitor is desktop computer. Flat panel display LCD, which is usually used with the portable computer, but now have become a very popular with the desktop computer too. Types of a monitor. There are three types of monitor. Monochrome. Number one is monochrome monitor, grayscale monitor, color monitor. There are three types of monitor based on color. Number one is monochrome monitor, grayscale monitor, color monitor. Now, first one is a monochrome monitor. A monochrome monitor is a type of the CRT computer monitor which was very common in the early days of computing from the 1960s. So, become popular. Monochrome monitor actually display two color, one for the background and one for the foreground. The color can be black and white, green and black. Number two is grayscale monitor. A grayscale monitor is a group of shades without any visible color on a monitor. Each pixel of the grayscale display carries an amount of the light ranging from the weakest amount of the light and a white arrays. Scale only contain brightness information, not color. A grayscale monitor is a special type of monochrome. Monochrome capable of the display different shade of the gray. Number third is color monitor. A display monitor capable of the display many colors. In contrast, on the monochrome monitor can be displayed only two colors, one for the background and one for the foreground color monitor. Implement the RGB color. RGB abbreviation of red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Color monitor can be displayed anywhere from 16 to over 1 billion different colors. Monitor are the sometimes called RGB monitor because they accept their separate signals red, green and blue. Red, green and blue. Types of monitor on the base of size. The screen size is measured in the display. Each of the distance from of the one corner of the opposite corner diagonally. These are following types: small monitor, full page monitor, portrait monitor, landscape monitor. Now, what are the factors determining of the monitor resolution? The resolution of the monitor is an indicate how recently packed the pixel and the general high resolution provided to the share images. Bond width. Bond width is the range of the single frequency the monitor can be handled. This determine how much data it can process and therefore how much it can refresh at the higher resolution. Refresh rate. How many types of per second. Screen is refreshed. Avoid flaking. The refresh rate should be out least 72 Hz. Dot pitch. Dot pitch is the amount of the space between each pixel. The smaller than pitch, the sharper or images. Next heading is printer. What is a printer? Printer is main device used for the preparing permanent document to be used at a later time. It connected to the CPU. CPU by capable and the are plugged into the something called output ports. Printer is also an output device and it is used to print data or information on a paper. The output of the printer is called hard copy. It is called hard copy because it is a permanent copy. Because it is a permanent copy. Printer is a device that accepts text and graphics from a computer and transfers the information to the paper. Printer is an output device that transfers the information to the paper called hard copy. Printer is a main device used for the preparing permanent document to be used at a later time. It is connected to the CPU by the capable and are plugging into something called output port. Printer is also an output device and it is used to print data or information on a paper. The output, the output of the printer is called hard copy. The output is a printer is called hard copy. It is a called hard copy because it is a permanent copy. Okay. There are two types of printer: impact printer and non-impact printer. There are two types of printer: impact printer and non-impact printer. Subtype of impact printer is visible dot matrix line printer, and the non-impact printer and subtypes of non-impact printer is inkjet printer, laser printer, LCD, and LED. And number four is thermal printer. What is the difference between impact printer and non-impact printer? They print by the sticking the ribbon against the paper. They print the paper usually magnetic, electrostatic, thermal, optical, inkjet. Number one is impact printer. They print by the sticking the ribbon against the paper. A non-impact printer, the paper use magnetic, electrostatic, thermal, optical, inkjet. Number two is impact printer. They may produce carbon copies. They may produce carbon copies. Non-impact printer, and they can not produce carbon copies. Number three is impact printer. They produce much and are called noisy printer. They produce much and are called noisy printer. Non-impact printer, they are noiseless techniques and are called quiet printer. Example of impact printer is daisy wheel, dot matrix, line printer. And non-impact printer is inkjet printer, laser printer, LCD, and LED. Number four is thermal printer. Plotter. Plotter is a special kind of output device that print graphics on a paper, which include drawing, graphs, making map, plotting, engineering, drawing, and the machine components. There are following types of plotters. There are the following types of plotters. Number one is pen plotters. Number two is electrostatic plotters. Pen plotter are the further divided into the following types. Number one is the drum plotters, and number two is the flatbed plotters. First one is the pen plotter. Pen plotter print by the moving and pen or the other instrument across the surface of the pieces of the paper. Pen plotter can draw complex line art including text, but do so slowly because of the mechanical movement of the pens. Number two is electrostatic plotter. Electrostatic plotter use a dry toner Transfer processing similar to the DAT is many photocopiers. They were faster than pen plotter and were available in the large format suitable for the reproducing engineering clients. Pen plotter, electrostatic plotter use a dry toner transfer processing similar to the DAT is many photocopiers. They were faster than pen plotter. Next is a dual purpose devices, input and output devices. Number one is disk drive. Number two is the CD writer. Number one is the disk drive. A disk drive, a disk drive is a peripheral device that read or write the disk, hard disk, floppy disk, etc. that store information. Disk drive are called storage devices because they store information on a portable or permanent disk. Number two is CD writer. CD abbreviation of compact disk. CD abbreviation of compact disk. CD writer. A CD writer is a device connected to your computer which can write on the CD, RW, and CDR disk. RW disk may be written based on the rewritten. Will CD write disks may be written only once. No. I have shared the concept of the soft copy and hard copy. What is the difference between soft copy and hard copy? A computer output display on the monitor is a soft copy. A uh, computer output taken on the paper is called hard copy. Soft copy is the intangible and the temporary. Hard copy is the tangible and the permanent. Number third is device used for the getting soft copy is monitor. Devices used for the getting hard copy are printer and a plotter. Now, home task. We have shared a short question answer and descriptive question answer. Number one is define input devices. Write it types name any five. Question number two is differentiate between mouse and trackball. Number three is define output devices. Write it types, name any five. Question number four is differentiate between impact printer and non-impact printer. Question number five is differentiate between hard copy and soft copy. This is a short question answer. Descriptive question answer. Question number one is describe keyboard with 8 divisions. Describe keyboard with 8 divisions. Question number two is what is a scanner? How many types of scanner? Explain it. Question number three, define monitor, describe its types. Define monitor, describe its types. Question number four, what are plotter? Describe different types of plotter. What are plotter? Describe different types of plotter. Question number five, briefly explain dual purpose devices. Briefly explain dual purpose devices. Okay. Now we have shared the home task, short question answer. Question number one is define input devices, write it types, name any five. Question number two, differentiate between mouse and trackball. Question number three, define output devices, write it types, name any five. Question number four, differentiate between impact printer and non-impact printer. Question number five, differentiate between hard copy and soft copy. Descriptive question answer. Question number one, describe keyboard with 8 divisions. Question number two, what is a scanner? What is scanner? How many types of scanner? Explain it. Question number three, define monitor, describe its types. Question number four, what are plotter? Describe different types of plotters. Question number five, briefly explain dual purpose devices. Thank you, student, and Allah Hafiz.